India, the world's largest democracy, has been guided by visionary leaders who shaped its journey since independence. So, let's begin this tribute to the leaders who led India from the front. Stay with us till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories of our nation's great heritage. Let's meet India's Prime Ministers, one by one. Jawaharlal Nehru, 1947 to 1964. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Tenure, 17 years. Contributions, first PM, architect of modern India, industrialization, and educational institutions like IITs and AIIMS. People lovingly called him Chacha Nehru because he cared a lot about children. His birthday, 14th November, is celebrated as Children's Day in India. He loved to wear a red rose on his coat. Gulzarilal Nanda, 1964-1966, acting PM twice. Known for transition during critical times. Lal Bahadur Shastri, 1964 to 1966, known for Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Green Revolution, and 1965 India-Pakistan War. Indira Gandhi, 1966 to 1977, 1980 to 1984, she was India's first woman Prime Minister. Contributions, Green Revolution, nationalization of banks, decisive leadership in the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War. Morarji Desai, 1977 to 1979, notable for leading the first non-Congress government. Charan Singh, 1979 to 1980, brief tenure, focused on farmer policies. Rajiv Gandhi, 1984 to 1989, contributions, focus on technology, modernization, and computerization. He introduced computers in India. VP Singh, 1989 to 1990, known for implementing the Mandal Commission report for OBC reservations. Chandra Shekhar, 1990 to 1991, short tenure during economic challenges. PV Narasimha Rao, 1991 to 1996, contributions, economic liberalization, globalization reforms. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 1996-1998 to 2004, notable for infrastructure growth, Golden Quadrilateral, nuclear tests, Pokhran II. He built big roads and loved poetry. H.D. Deve Gowda, 1996 to 1997, focused on rural development. I.K. Gujral, 1997 to 1998, known for Gujral Doctrine in foreign policy. Manmohan Singh, 2004 to 2014, contributions, economic growth, nuclear deal with the US, and focus on development. Narendra Modi, 2014-present, contributions, infrastructure, Digital India, GST implementation, and foreign policy reforms. These were the leaders of India, each making our country better.